Hey, hello everybody, welcome to the Make Rich Money channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing without having to sell a single product. You heard that right. By simply promoting other people's products as an affiliate, you can earn commissions on every sale. And the best part is, it's really easy to get started. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how it's done. I would advise you to watch to the end because we're going to give you some amazing tips towards the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can regularly help you with tips to grow your income. Now, let's get straight into the video. 1. Choose a niche. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn a passive income. But before you can start making money, you need to choose a niche. Here are 4 things to consider when choosing a niche for affiliate marketing. First, a niche that aligns with your interest. If you are passionate about the topic, you will be more likely to stick with it and see success. Second, make sure there's enough demand for the affiliate products you plan to promote. There's no use in promoting products that nobody's interested in buying. Third, do your research and make sure the niche is profitable. There's no point in promoting products if you are not going to make any money from it. Fourth, choose a niche that you can realistically compete in. If there are already established affiliate marketers in your chosen niche, it will be difficult to stand out from the crowd. By taking the time to carefully choose a niche, you will increase your chances of success as an affiliate marketer. 2. Find a good affiliate program. By finding a good affiliate program, content creators can earn a commission on each sale that they generate. There are a few things to look for when finding a good affiliate program. First, the affiliate program should offer products or services that are relevant to your audience. If you are a beauty vlogger, for example, you might want to promote skincare products. Second, the affiliate program should offer competitive commissions. This means that you will earn a good percentage of each sale that you generate. Third, the affiliate program should have a robust tracking system. This helps to ensure that you receive credit for each sale that you generate. Fourth, look for one that offers a high commission rate, a wide range of products, and good customer service. Fifth, make sure the program is reputable and has a good reputation among affiliate marketers. By keeping these things in mind, you can find an affiliate program that's a good fit for your channel and your audience. 3. Sign up for the program. Signing up for an affiliate marketing program can be a bit of a hassle. You have to find the right program, create an account, and then be approved by the merchant. Luckily, we've put together a quick and easy guide on how to sign up for affiliate marketing programs, so you can get started right away. First, you need to find an affiliate marketing program that meets your needs. There are a lot of programs out there, so take some time to research and find out one that fits your channel and audience. Once you found a program you're interested in, sign up for an account. This usually just requires your name, email address, and website you have here. Once you have an account set up, you will need to be approved by the merchant before you can start promoting their products. This process can take a little while, but once you are approved, you will be able to start earning commissions on every sale you generate. Just promote your affiliate links in your social media content and sit back and watch the commissions come rolling in. With a little effort, you can soon start making serious money from affiliate marketing. 4. Create a website or blog about the niche. In order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a platform where you can promote your affiliate links. A website or blog is the perfect way to do this. By creating content around your niche, you can attract an audience that is interested in what you have to say. And by including affiliate links in your content, you can earn commissions on any sales that you generate. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, affiliate marketing is a great option, and creating a website or blog is a good way to get started. 5. Write articles and reviews about the products in the affiliate program. One of the best ways to promote affiliate products is by writing articles and reviews about them. This is a great way to get started because it doesn't require a lot of investment or effort on your part. Plus, it's a great way to build up your portfolio and show potential clients what you can do. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind when writing affiliate articles and reviews. First, you need to be honest about your experience with the product. Don't exaggerate the positives or downplay the negatives just to try and sell the product. Second, be sure to disclose that you are an affiliate for the company. This is required by law in many countries, and it's just good practice. Finally, don't spam affiliate links. It should be used sparingly and only when they are relevant to the article or review you are writing. If you follow these guidelines, you will be on your way to successful affiliate marketing. 6. Promote your website or blog using social media, SEO, and paid advertising. There are many ways to promote your website or blog, but some methods are more effective than others. One of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal is social media. By creating informative and engaging content, you can attract a large audience and drive traffic to your site. Another effective method is search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO. By optimizing your website for specific keywords, you can improve your ranking in search results and attract potential customers. Finally, you can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. While paid advertising can be expensive, it can be worth the investment if you are serious about growing your business. By using a combination of these methods, you can reach a large audience and promote your website or blog effectively. 7. Collect payments from customers and send them to the affiliate program. As an affiliate marketer, you need to be able to collect payments from customers and send them to the affiliate program. There are a few different ways to do this, and the best method will depend on the affiliate program and the products or services you are promoting. One option is to use a third-party payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. This can be a good option because it's easy to set up and there are no fees for transactions. However, it's important to make sure that the affiliate program you are using supports the type of payments. Another option is to set up a direct deposit with the affiliate program. This can be a bit more complicated, but it can be worth it if you are promoting high-ticket items or services. With a direct deposit, you will need to provide your bank account information to the affiliate program so they can send the money directly to your account. Finally, you can also choose to invoice your customers and collect payment yourself. This is often the best option for affiliate marketers who are selling physical products. With invoicing, you can set up automatic payments so you don't have to worry about manually collecting payments from customers. No matter which method you use, it's important that you collect payments from customers in a timely manner. If you wait too long, they may forget about the purchase or decide not to pay. By taking care of payments quickly, you can ensure that customers are happy and that the affiliate commissions are paid in timely manner. 8. Monitor your website's performance. If you are serious about affiliate marketing, then you need to be monitoring your website's performance on a regular basis. There are a number of different factors that can impact your website's ability to generate leads and sales, and it's important to identify any potential problems as quickly as possible. Here are 4 key things that you should be monitoring. First, traffic levels. How many people have visited your website each day? If you are not seeing the numbers you want, then you need to find out why and take action to improve things. Second, conversion rates. How many visitors are taking the desired action, like subscribing to your list, buying a product, and so on? If your conversion rates are low, then again, you need to find out why and take steps to improve things. Third, average order value. How much are people spending when they make a purchase on your website? If this number is low, then you need to focus on increasing the average order value. Fourth, customer satisfaction. Finally, it's important to keep an eye on customer satisfaction levels. If people aren't happy with their experience on your website, they are unlikely to come back or recommend you to others. Use surveys and customer feedback to get an idea of how well you are doing in this area and what improvements could be made. Monitoring your website's performance is essential if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing. By keeping an eye on the key metrics, you can identify any potential problems early on and take corrective action before it's too late. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you can stay up to date with future content.